Did you know that colors can actually influence your mood and creativity? But what if all you had were black and white paints? How would that affect your art? Well, today we're diving into the world of finger painting using just these two colors, and trust me, it's gonna be a wild ride. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore something super interesting, finger painting with only black and white. Now, you might be thinking, why limit myself to just two colors? Well, this minimalist approach can really spark your creativity in unexpected ways. So, grab your paints and let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, here's the thing. Most people think that color is essential for artistic expression. I mean, who can resist a vibrant palette, right? But what if I told you that you can create stunning and engaging art using just black and white? It's a challenge that pushes your boundaries and forces you to think outside the box. You'll be relying on texture, contrast, and form rather than hues. Can you really tell a story or evoke emotions with just these two colors? That's what we're here to find out. Exploration/development. Alright, let's get into the fun part, actually finger painting. I'm starting off with a blank canvas and my trusty black and white paints. So, here's the technique. I'm going to use my fingers to create different strokes and textures. You can really play around with how much paint you apply. A thick layer of black can create a strong, bold statement, while a light touch can give a soft, delicate feel. As I'm blending the colors together, I'm noticing that the contrast between black and white is doing amazing things for my composition. The emotions are really coming through. It's almost like the absence of color is actually freeing. I'm focusing more on shapes and the way the paint interacts with the surface. It's surprising how much depth you can achieve just by playing with light and shadow. Climax/key moment, and here it is, folks. The moment we've all been waiting for, the finished artwork. Can you believe it? This piece is so much more than just black and white, it's full of unexpected beauty and depth. The way the colors blend and contrast creates a powerful visual impact. I never expected to feel so connected to a piece made with just these two colors. It's proof that limitations can actually lead to greater creativity. Conclusion/summary. To wrap things up, finger painting with just black and white has been an incredible journey. We've learned that creativity doesn't always need a full spectrum of colors. Sometimes, working within constraints can lead to breakthroughs in expression and artistic exploration. So, don't be afraid to try new things, who knows what you might discover. Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about this black and white challenge? Have you ever tried something similar? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any other minimalist art challenges in mind, let me know. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and check out my next video where I experiment with a whole new art style. See you next time.